Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play alone on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the main page and I'm logged in, and you can very easily play alone with yourself if you want to. Now, you have the more complicated version, which is creating another account using another browser and then playing a game versus yourself, which is the official game. Or what you can also do is go into train and go into classroom, and from here you can create a new room and play with yourself. Now, as you can see, I started with white, and let's say this is black, and what you need to do is pretty much just play your game as you would normally, and it's as easy as that, literally. You can do that very easy, and yeah, that's pretty much how you play alone by yourself. Now, this isn't an official game, this is just for you to test out boards and everything, but if you wanted to, you could play a complete game with this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.